Guys, how are you? I hope you must be very well. Okay, today our topic is an important complaint letter for your final exam 2021. Today I will discuss with you about a very important complaint letter for your 2021 final exam. Okay, the full question will come in this way. Write a letter to a manufacturing company complaining about the defective product of anything. Full question will come in this way. Suppose you have bought a television set or a refrigerator or a home theater, anything from a reputed company with a particular warranty period. Suppose 2 years warranty or 5 years warranty. But at the end of only 2 months, suppose it has come out as faulty. It has developed some certain faults. So write a letter for that company demanding or requesting a repair work for your goods or item or a replacement for the item. Okay. So full question I am repeating again. Suppose you have purchased or you have bought a refrigerator or a washing machine or a television set or a home theater from a reputed electronics company with a warranty of 5 years or 2 years. But at the end of only 2 months, it has come out as faulty. It has developed some certain faults. So write a letter for that company requesting or demanding a repair work or the replacement of your product, of your thing. Clear? The letter will be starting in this way. First one box covering your full page with your scale. Okay, just on the right corner you will give date. Suppose today the date is 13th August 2020. On the left side, addressing the marketing manager, not two you will not write, only the directly the marketing manager. Suppose one company, Samsung Electronics Company or Philips Electronics Company, SN Road 1, Mumbai 1 or Kolkata 1. I am repeating. So on the right side, right corner date, addressing on the left side, the marketing manager, LG Private Limited Company or Samsung Electronics Company or Philips Electronics Company. Addressing SN Road 1, Mumbai 51 or Mumbai 1. Okay. Sir 1, comma. Then subject. SUB. Subject, repair or replacement of the TV set or refrigerator set or home theater, anything recently bought. Repair or replacement of the TV set or washing machine or fridge, refrigerator or LED TV, anything bought recently or recently bought. Now starting with due honor, HONOUR. With due honor, I inform you that I had bought a refrigerator or a LED TV set or a washing machine or a home theater from your reputed company, from the local market of Howrah district or Murshidabad district or Hooghly district, along with a warranty of 5 years or 2 years. But now at the end of only 2 months, it has come out as faulty. Means it is not functioning properly. Now you will mention about the fault. It has developed certain faults or defects in its sound system or in its cooling system. In case of refrigerator, in cooling system. In case of home theater or TV, you give in sound system. As it has developed faults within the warranty period or guarantee period, I request you to make necessary steps or arrangements for repairing or replacement of the said refrigerator or TV set or home theater, anything. Para change, last para. Photocopies of the cash memo and the guarantee card or warranty card of the TV set or refrigerator set are attached herewith for your kind perusal. Full stop, para change. Looking forward to your prompt action or looking forward to your prompt reply or response. On the left side, thank you. Yours faithfully or truly, comma, your full signature. Again on the left side, your home address. Suppose Khalatpur, Udayanpur, Howrah, West Bengal, one date. In this way, the complaint letter will be finished. Once again, I am repeating for you. Starting with due honor, HONOUR. I inform you that I had purchased a refrigerator, within bracket you can write 5-star, or a home theater, or a LED TV from your reputed company, from a local market of Howrah district or Hooghly district or Burdwan district or Murshidabad district, along with a warranty of 5 years. But at the end of only 2 months, it has come out as faulty, or you will write it is not functioning properly. Now you will mention about the problem. It has developed certain problems or faults in power section or cooling section. In case of refrigerator, in cooling system. Its power system or cooling system or sound system is not working, is not functioning properly. As it has developed certain problems or faults or defects within the warranty period, I request you to make necessary arrangements for repairing or for repair work or replacement of the said TV set or refrigerator set or washing machine, anything. As per photocopies of the cash memo and the warranty card are attached herewith for your kind perusal. Full stop, para change. Looking forward to your prompt reply or action. On the left side, thank you. On the right side, yours faithfully or truly, 1 comma, your full signature. Again on the right side, your home address, contact number, date. Your home address, suppose Khalatpur, Udayanpur, Howrah. Mobile number, contact number, date. Okay. Very, very important letter for your 2021. Just in final exam 2015, 5 years back, 5-6 years back, same letter came in the final exam. The letter was in this way. I am reading the letter. Write a letter to MK Electronics Company of Kolkata requesting for repair or replacement of the MK TV set which you had bought from them only 2 months ago, as it has developed certain defects. Okay, the same type question came in the final exam in 2015. The model answer, one sample answer of this question I am sending you also for your better understanding. The answer I am giving you from one reference book. That letter, complaint letter that came in the year of 2015 for your better understanding. The sample answer from one reference book I am sending you by making a photocopy. Okay, hopefully you have understood the way I have explained how you can write a complaint letter. Very important letter for your 2021 final exam. Today before the exam it is my last class. Hopefully you will do very well in your coming exam, online exam. And in my next class, after your exam, next topic I will start. Okay, God bless you. Thanks to all.